Hi folks, it's Alan here from Signature Walls. Today we're in Vauxhall in London to shoot a feature wall that's been installed in this bathroom space. As you can see, it is a stunning black and bronze finish in medium grain Venetian plaster. So it's been applied in this space to create a nice standout feature wall in this modern and contemporary bathroom space that the client's remodelled to a high standard. So it sits perfectly alongside the contrasting bright gold fixtures and fittings, and the client has designed the space so that the feature wall is a real standout piece in this modern bathroom. So we think it looks absolutely stunning. It's got some texture to it, but it's not too in your face or so textured that it makes it impossible to keep clean. Being a bathroom, we've had to seal it with a protective wax. We've opted to go for a bronze wax so it contrasts and sits perfectly against the medium grain black Venetian plaster finish. So we think it looks stunning and it really uplifts this space. So if you're thinking of having something similar for your own bathroom project, feel free to reach out through the website or drop us an email to hello@signature-walls.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you then.